Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Polestar Grapevine and Grubbs Volvo Cars in Grapevine, Texas. And today I'm going to be driving the beautiful 2021 Polestar 1, or as I like to call it, the Swedish Super Coupe. It is a fantastic vehicle, plug-in hybrid, grand touring car. It was around 150 grand brand new, very exclusive. Never seen one on the road before because of how exclusive it is. You have it's a plug-in hybrid 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder with an electric motor that has over 600 horsepower and over 700 pound-feet of torque. Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Truly luxurious interior. The seats feel so great. The seats look beautiful. You have a carbon fiber interior layout, paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. The materials are truly amazing. This is a wonderful grand touring vehicle. You can drive in all-wheel drive, electric, hybrid, or power for sporty driving. As you can see, you have the Bowers & Wilkins sound system. This car looks amazing. Polestar 1, high modulus CFRP body, structurally optimized carbon fiber layout. You have a matte black finish to the vehicle. This is one of the most beautiful coupes I've ever seen. It gets the 10 on 10 in styling from me. I love the brake calipers, they're huge. This car will get a lot of attention because most people don't know what it is and they've never seen it. I've never seen one on the road, that's how rare they are. And because of the Polestar logo, most people are not familiar with the brand, especially with the beautiful exotic looking car like this. So you will get a lot of attention if you drive around in a Polestar 1. Looks amazing. It's just so elegant. I love it. This is such an awesome car. I would daily drive this 100% if I had this car, because of its ability to switch between hybrid, electric, and power. This has up to 52 miles of electric range only if you want to do that. You have a 360-degree camera system. But yes, this is a truly special car. It has gold seat belts. That's a signature styling element of high-performance Polestar products, as you can see on the Polestar 2 and the Polestar 3. But yes, as I'm saying, I just love the way this car looks. I can't get over how beautiful it is. First time I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this car is so beautiful. Gauge cluster is pretty minimalistic. But this car is just like, it just has so much character to it. That's pretty fast, as I would expect, you know. Wow. It has such seamless acceleration. Obviously in the power mode, it's going to use both the electric motor and the gasoline engine. I'm a huge fan of grand touring vehicles like this one, high-end grand touring vehicles. This is like definitely my kind of car. It has a beautiful styling, a wonderful interior for daily driving. Like, it's a coupe and I feel so comfortable. The suspension isn't sporty, but it's soft at the same time. It feels amazing. And like just the whole characteristic of the car, the idea of what it is, a PHEV Super Coupe. It's awesome. And it's literally exudes the meaning of Volvo and Polestar. Just understated, distinguished luxury vehicles which give you the power when you need it, especially in the recharge products. Man, I am so in love with this car. But yeah, like, Visibility for a coupe is not even bad. I can see everything I need to. No problems there. I'm gonna put this car in hybrid everyday use. Yes, truly wonderful car. The seats are just, I can't get over how comfortable they are. They're so soft. The bolstering is great. I have a ton of room. I typically have trouble fitting in coupes because I'm 6'1", I have long legs. It's hard for me to fit in coupes, but in this one it's not hard at all. And it's so quiet. Wow, wow, wow. On the left side of the car is, or wait, no, on the right side of the car is the fuel pump. On the left side, you find like a charging cable, the charging port if you want to charge the vehicle for 52 miles of range. Is this, yeah, acceleration is so effortless in this thing. It has so much power on tap. But even in this power mode, it's just so comfortable to drive. It's not unwieldy. It's not, you know, scary. It's perfect. When you own a car like this, you're just at that point where you just don't care about what it's just like you're so cocooned from the road. You don't care what anyone thinks. You're just cocooned from the road. You're driving a beautiful Grand Touring coupe. It's phenomenal. Yeah, having over 600 horsepower and over 700 pound-feet of torque with combined power is a pretty big number. That is no small feat, I gotta say that. And I really like how this says paddle shifters. In a lot of Polestar, I mean in a lot of Volvo products, I wish they more of them had paddle shifters. So I'm glad this one does. It definitely needs to for what this car is, and it makes the driving experience a lot more fun for me because I use paddle shifters a lot. I love that. Steering wheel feels so good. Like the perforated leather's so soft. Feels wonderful. And it's classic Volvo interior in here. If you're used to Volvos, this will be no surprise to you. As always, so elegant. Every single material in here feels fantastic. The only difference is the Polestar logo in the center. Put a Volvo logo in there, you would just think you're in a Volvo coupe. Or something like that. Oh yeah, this car has definitely exceeded my expectations. I would daily drive this all day, everywhere. This car is amazing. I love this car. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you as always for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships if you would like to shop for certified pre-owned Volvo products, new Volvo products, and Polestar products as well, like this one. Thanks again, and I'll see you all in the next video.